SDG 4. Quality Education. Problem addressed by SDG 4. SDG 4 aims to tackle the global challenges related to education such as 1. Lack access to education. Many children, particularly in low-income or conflict-affected regions, do not have access to quality education. This contributes to cycle poverty, inequality, and lack of opportunity. Number 2. Poor quality education. Even education is available, the quality does not often the needs of students. This can be due to unfunded school, poorly trained teacher, or outdated curricula. Number 3. Gender inequality in education. In many parts of the world, girls and women face barriers to accessing education, contributing to long-term disparities in health, economic opportunity, and political representation. 4. Learning outcomes. Poor learning outcomes in critical areas like literacy, numeracy, and vocational skill limit the ability of individuals to participate in society and economy. 5. Educational disparities. Marginalized groups, such as children with disabilities, refugees, and indigenous people, often face additional barriers to quality education.
Hello everyone, I'm Kaysar Sapno from 1B11. Why is SDG 4 important? Economic development education is a key driver of economic growth and poverty reduction. It increases individual earning potential, improves health outcomes, and boosts productivity. Quality education fosters a skills workplace and contributes to overall societal development. Social equality, access to education, reduces inequalities by providing opportunities to historically marginalized groups. It empowers individuals, promotes social cohesion, and fosters tolerance. Global competitiveness. In a rapidly changing world, having a well-educated population is essential for innovation, technological advancement, and economic competitiveness. Real-world example statistics. Global enrollment rates according to UNESCO as of 2021, there were still 258 million children and youth out of school worldwide, with the highest number in sub-Saharan Africa and South Asia. Learning poverty, a World Bank report estimates that 53% of children in low and middle income countries cannot read a simple text by age 10. Known as a learning poverty, gender disappears in countries like Afghanistan and Nigeria. Girls are far less likely to attend school than boys. UNESCO reports that 130 million girls worldwide are out of school, mainly due to poverty, early marriage, and cultural factors. Impact of COVID-19. The COVID-19 pandemic exacerbated educational disparities, with school closure affecting over 1.6 billion learners worldwide. It disappointed impact disadvantaged groups, including students in rural or marginalized communities.
Good morning everyone. I'm Nilandri T. Cabalquinto from 1B11. Actions individuals and communities can take to support SDG 4. Number 1. Promote access to education. Support local education initiatives. Volunteer in schools. Donate to organizations that provide educational resources to underserved communities, or fund scholarship for students in need. Advocate for inclusive education policies. Support laws and policies that ensure all children, regardless of their background or abilities, have access to quality education. Number 2. Enhance quality of education. Support teacher training. Encourage the development of effective teaching methods and invest in teacher training to improve learning outcomes. Provide educational materials. Donate books, learning tools, and digital devices to schools in low-resource areas. Number 3, promote gender equality in education. Champion gender equality. Advocate for policies that remove barriers to education for girls, such as early marriage, and promote gender-sensitive curricula. Mentorship programs. Support or establish programs that provide mentorship to young girls and women, helping them navigate educational and career opportunities. Number 4, address local education needs. Support inclusive education. Work with local communities to ensure children with disabilities have the resources they need to succeed in school. Help improve infrastructure. Advocate for better school facilities, technology access, and sanitation in school to create a conducive learning environment.